Hello, welcome to the spring semester 2018 for the School of Business Communication and Technology. This is your new weekly update. So if you'll notice, this update is in a little different format than you saw in the past. I'm still including a video, but I wanted to appeal to more people because I have some faculty that really don't have time to watch the video and would rather read, and some that really dig the video as a resource. So this being my first address of the semester, my first update of the semester, I wanted to explain why I do the update. And really it's because we always know communication is lacking. So this is a communication source from me to you of pertinent information. I really don't want to barrage you with emails multiple times a week with every little thing. So I'm trying to get it all in one place, gatherable for you, and we'll also host this on our school webpage. So I hope that you like it. I'm going to talk about a few things that are in the newsletter this week, and then I will leave you to your work of serving students. And it's so exciting to see them all back on campus. None of us dig the hassle of parking, but it's great to have that energy around and remember why we're here. So some of the things in this update are the food for thought pantries. We now have one at every campus, so that is wonderful. So please donate if you can, and if you forget your lunch one day, feel free to use that pantry and maybe encourage a student who might look like they're a little hungry to use it as well. Important dates to remember: we have intermediate grades due on the 22nd and the 29th. February 19th is President's Day, and then March 2nd is the Integrative Learning Conference, and there'll be more news on that in next update. Other things that I've included in this newsletter is the assessment task team. That's a team that I've been working on. That's just started this semester, and we're gathering data about how different things are assessed within our institution. This is a direct response to accreditation requirements. There is a website that anybody who's an employee can view, and you can see kind of what we've been tasked with for our work, and when we intend to wrap up, and what will happen with the findings. So right now it's just a gathering data. How are we assessing different things across the institution, and then how is that information being used once we do assessments? The next thing is Technical Advisory Committee reform. We have several faculty from across campus who've been working on this. They're developing a handbook, as it were. It's a whopping 10 pages. I'm guessing that about 5 of those are just contacts and location addresses. So trying to put things into one place so that we can fulfill all reporting requirements and really give direction. Some tasks meet out of necessity, but not so much to produce something. So we want to show what our tasks do for us other than show up to a meeting, because they all do work for us and we work for them and are in the industries that we're serving with our programs. So that work is mentioned there. And then just briefly, I wanted to highlight you. I'm so proud of our school and all the nominations that we got for emerging professionals. I expect to see something in Bert's Alerts sometime soon, but to have those 3 winners within our school is fantastic. So I'm excited also for emerging scholars to see how many nominations come out of our school as well. I'm so proud of all the work that you do with our students. I'm so excited to see them back on campus and see you interacting with them. And I'm hoping that that's feeding you. I know it sure feeds me. So have a great weekend, and I will see you on campus.